What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to go over an easy and cheap way to clean your shoes. Now, the total for everything I'm going to show you in this video is going to be $5. I'm also going to show you a free and cheaper way that you can do it. But definitely, if you have $5, this is going to be an easy way to clean your shoes. I wouldn't really recommend this on like your hypebeast shoes, like your UNCs, your like your low dunks, on anything like that. Your freaking Sakai's, I wouldn't do this on those. But for everyday shoes, just some shoes you want to revive and bring back to life, this is definitely going to do that for you. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's just hop into the video right now. So obviously the free way is to just go to your sink and get a bucket of water with soap and just get like a corner of a rag, or even if you have like a magic eraser or a sponge laying around, just go ham on the shoe. Just keep going till the dirt comes off. If you have an extra toothbrush or an old toothbrush laying around, just put the little soap on there, put some water, mix it in, and just go ham on that. There's a lot of videos on YouTube for that. So if you want to go see something like that, that's the free way. Get some soap, water, a toothbrush, and that's all you need. So the second way is going to be like for $1. You can go to your Dollar Tree and pick up these magic erasers. They usually sell them in 2-packs now at the Dollar Tree, which is crazy, but if they sell them in one, that's all you need is one. Get you some magic erasers. This is actually a 3-pack I got from Walmart just because I was there. This was like $2. But yeah, get you some magic erasers, get you some soap and water. You can even use a little bit of laundry detergent if you have it. Yeah, go to the Dollar Tree, pick you up a pack of magic erasers, and that's all you need for just $1. Okay, so the last cheap and easy way that I personally use is this OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover. This was actually $3.94 at Target or something like that. Yeah, it was $3.90 something. Also picked up this little grout brush for $1, so this total was about $4.94, so just under $5 for this. As you guys know, or if you don't know, this is your first time seeing me, I'm a reseller and I sell a lot of shoes, so I use this to clean the shoes before I resell them. I actually have some like FootJoy golf shoes that I have to clean right now, so I'm going to use that on this. Just even like on my personal shoes, I'm going to show you right now what you can do. Alright, so you pop the top on this thing. It's got these little nubs. It's got the little nubs, so that's how you know if you have the right one. They have these little nubs. So you can see that it has like this gel inside. So what you do is, let's say you want to clean this little bottom part of the shoe, right? Well, let's go to this side. It's a little dirtier. This part right here, what you're going to do is you press down. You press down and the gel's going to come out. See that? If you can see that. It's going to come out. I like to rub it along wherever I am. But just trying to get it coated a good amount, just wherever you're gonna be at, just roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there you got it like that. You got the gel going. So next thing I like to do is obviously I take my grout brush. This one actually has like a little, like you can get in between. Like if you have the shoes, like you can pick out dirt. If you have lines, like if you're having forces or something, you can pick the stuff out of the shoe. So that's why I got this, but it was only $1 anyways. So yeah, after you have the gel on there, I'm gonna show you a little timeline shift in a second, but this is really quick. But you basically just start scrubbing, right? You start scrubbing, it'll take all the dirt off. So yeah, you get yourself a little rag, you wipe that right off. That area is clean now. Like I said, I wouldn't use this on like some hypebeast $200, $300 shoes if you have them, but everyday shoes, definitely gonna be an easy way to bring them back to life and clean them up. Here's a little time lapse of me cleaning them up just so you can see exactly how to use them and what they look like after. But yeah, that's just a quick way to do that. It's under $5. But yeah, like I said, I actually have to clean these golf shoes, the bottom of these, just to get them cleaned up so I can resell them. But let's just put the time lapse so I can show you guys what they look like before and what they look like after I use the OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover. enjoyed that video. Hope that's just a cheap way that you can use to clean your shoes in the future. Again, just for everyday wear, just some everyday shoes that you just want to bring back to life. Just clean up a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you enjoy stuff like this. Also, if you're interested in videos of not getting scammed on OfferUp, how to watch out for scams on Facebook Marketplace, I have stuff like that on my channel as well. Again, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, here's my Instagram right there. I'm posting more and more each day. So please, if you enjoyed the content, please hit that like. It helps me out a lot, like I said. My name is Fernando. I'm a part-time reseller, if you didn't know, if I didn't say that already. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. And as always, I will see you on the next one.
Living around the stage by herself. 18 CO5 shit, they don't be on my shit. Only do fly shit, flying in the